Okay, YouTubers, I'm gonna show you a trick. Then I have make like new my carburetor intakes. So what these um, are this goes to the cylinder head, okay, and this goes to the carburetor. So this is like what takes from the carburetor the air to fuel mixture and take it inside. Okay, so these are like rubber, old. This bike is 35 years old. These are from CX 500, okay, and they're very thick. And let me show you what they don't have any uh, cracks inside, but they have a couple small cracks on the outside, so I want to protect them. Also, if you have a leak on one of them, okay, you can look at it here. If you have a leak on one of them, it might be a good idea to, to help you out with this trick. So um, let's find out the thickness. Okay, this is what the result is. Okay, this looks like new. Now, how I have done that, okay, let's move to the next step. But before we do that, I'm gonna show you the thickness of this. Okay, so this is like about 10.56 millimeters or 0.420 of an inch. Alright, so this is a very thick rubber piece. Alright, so let's fix them. Look at that. This one is already been fixed and looks like new. Okay. Okay, first make sure it's dry. No oils or anything like that. Don't use any chemicals to clean this out. Just let it be. It's very old and you don't want to, enclose any chemicals in there. You might, when you want to use like a light soap or something. I don't use nothing. I just clean it with a rag. So what I want to do is I just want to reinforce it so it will stay there for a very long time. Okay, so what I have is I have a 2-to-1 shrink head, very thick. Look at that. And let's see, let's zero this one. This is in inch, so the thickness here is 0.028. Let me just make sure. Okay, the thickness here is 0.025 of an inch or 0.70 of a millimeter. Okay, this is a very thick shrink head we're gonna use. And okay, let's move to the next step. I'll say about here. Oops, that's gone. Okay, let's prepare this one. We're polishing the aluminum a little bit, just to make it look nice and clean. And this one is done right there. And let's put it on a vise. carefully. Maybe I want to use a rug. Right there, not too much tension. The rug is not going to work. Okay, let's have to be extra careful here. That's it. Just a little bit. Now, be careful when you work with flames. Make sure you don't have anything flammable, like this can and this can around. Put them away. And take all precautions and wear any necessary safety gear. That's really up to you, but that's how you should work. Okay, I'm gonna shrink it just a little bit to put it what I want. I don't keep the flame on the same spot, as you can see here. Otherwise I'm gonna burn it. Just a little bit. And wait. Let's see what's going on here. Let's put it a little bit up. Okay. And we want to cover this part here. Okay. And this part here. Let's try again. Again, make sure you don't have any flammables around when you do that. Or at least they're far away from you. Okay, looks good here. Let me make sure. What I wanted is just over the aluminum edge, the lip here. And going around again. It's right there. Okay, going around again. Alright. It's forming nicely now. Let's wait a little bit. Okay, looking good here. Just keep going around. You see it's forming. It's forming nicely now. Here is the lip. Okay, looking already good. I just wanted to make sure it's tight. And I don't want to burn it, of course. And it's right there. Just make sure it's not extremely hot. That's why I'm touching it. Okay, and it's just a little bit too hot here. And it's almost done. I want to make sure it's tight. Yep, it's there. A little bit more. Okay, good. And, good. It's too hot here. A little bit this side, a little bit low. Let's do the bottom a little bit. And a little bit here. This is almost perfect. Okay. Let's do an inspection. Alright. Okay. This looks perfect actually. Now if I cut it good here too, then we're all done. I'm sorry. Look the other one. Okay, let's cut it. I'm using a fine blade, so if you do what I do, just watch your hands. I'm gonna start first here, and I don't recommend you use this kind of blade because really easy to get cut. Okay, the blade is in. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go nice and slow now. Make sure I don't cut the original part. Okay, just by feeling it. Okay, we're almost done. All right. Maybe I just burn it a little bit more, or no, I don't think. Okay, this is how they look. Thanks for watching. Looking like new now.